The 1099 Toolkit from Microsoft Dynamics Nav is intended to give users additional capability that Nav does not offer. This movie is going to highlight what the 1099 Toolkit offers that Nav doesn't offer. For actual movie demonstrating the capabilities, watch our other videos. The 1099 Toolkit allows you to review and correct vendor information before printing 1099s instead of the way Nav does it, which is print the 1099s and see if they're right or if they look right, because there's no way of knowing. There are several things that could happen that would cause 1099s to be incorrect. One of them is if the federal ID information is not correct. We offer a report that shows which vendors are missing 1099s, which will prevent a 1099 from being printed. It'll also check for duplicate IDs, that is, multiple vendors with the same ID. That'll cause multiple 1099s for the same vendor, which the IRS takes a dim view of. It's very possible that the 1099 federal ID numbers were not entered correctly. It's amazing how many times there are not exactly 9 characters because somebody has miskeyed it. There may be 8 characters or there may be 10 characters, depend whether it's a social security number or an EIN. This report will show you which ones are missing, which ones are duplicates, and which ones don't have exactly 9 characters. We'll provide you with a report that's going to review all payments to vendors with the IRS 1099 coding next to it. It'll show you which payments are missing 1099 codes and which ones may in fact have been coded incorrectly. It will also show you the total invoice amount as well as the amount that's going to be reported on the 1099, because only labor is reportable on a 1099 MISC 07. You may need to go back in and change the reportable amount. A worksheet will allow you to view the total invoice amount as well as the reportable amount, research the invoice, and make an adjustment if necessary. Another report that we offer will show you a total printout of what's going to be printed on the 1099s by vendor by IRS code. It'll also allow you to print a 1096, which, believe it or not, is not present in NAV. Although they allow you to print 1099s, you can't print a 1096, which is mandatory if you're going to print and mail your 1099s to the IRS. The 1099 Toolkit allows you to be able to either print the 1099s or create the file necessary to upload for digital management, which is mandatory if you're submitting 250 or more 1099s, and is optional if you're submitting less than 250 1099s. All in all, the 1099 Toolkit allows you to be able to view what you're going to be printing and sending before you actually do it. If you have any questions or you'd like to see the actual operation, please watch our other videos. Thank you very much.